everyone. I wanted to introduce a new project that I'm going to be doing for 2023. I've stumbled across a bunch of makeup channels that are doing this. It's called Project Pan. For those of you who aren't familiar, makeup, eyeshadow especially, it's just powder that's pressed really tightly down into a metal tray. So as you wear off the eyeshadow and use it on your face, you're using up the product, and eventually you're gonna see that metal pan at the bottom. You're gonna hit the pan. I'm really attracted to the idea of using up makeup, particularly makeup I'm not gonna repurchase. So I decided to set a challenge for myself this year. I am going to pan an LA Colors eyeshadow palette called Chic. I bought this a very, very long time ago. Before I was learning about makeup, I had some makeup I got when I was like 12 that someone gave me that I still have. And then the first one I ever purchased for myself, I don't remember. I think I was in college, and it was this one because it was purple and that's my favorite color. No idea how to use it. I think this was me telling future me, eventually you need to learn how to use this. But I've used it a little bit. I particularly used this really bright light purple. That one has the most of a dip in it. So I'm going to try to use this up this year, and I think I'm going to film the progress. On days when I don't feel like doing makeup, it would be easy to just throw a little bit of this on and call it a day, and then I'll work down towards the pan. I'd like to at least hit pan on all 12 of these. I think I'm almost there with that bright purple, and I have these colors in my collection elsewhere, so I'm not worried about like using this up. The formula's okay. It's not the most pigmented. I might film some looks with it, or I might just film my progress with it. The other thing, and I haven't decided yet, obviously you're not going to hit pan on a lipstick, but I have a few lipsticks that I'd like to use up. 2 of them, scratch that, 4 of them, I don't know which ones I'm going to do. 4 of them are very old. These 2 I think were given to me around the same time as the first ever eyeshadow palettes I had, which like I was like 12 years old. There's a red and a nude color. They don't even have names. It just says fashion lipstick. One has a 3 and one has a 4 on it. I'm gonna swatch them, and if I have something else similar in the collection, I may just throw these out. The other 2 I've also had for a very, very long time. One is a Covergirl very old lipstick called Vintage Wine. They don't make this anymore. I bought it as a replacement for the one lipstick that I used maybe in high school and college that they don't make anymore. But this was way too bright. It wasn't what I wanted. I wanted like a purpley rosy mauve, and I got this like bright berry color. It doesn't look too bright on the camera, but it was super bright compared to the other one that I was trying to replace. This is another failed attempt at replacing the one that I was trying to replace. It's a Moondrops Frost Revlon lipstick. They don't make these anymore. Called Rose Amethyst. And this was a much more frosty pink. It was more along the color that I wanted. Sorry, these swatches are not great. It was a little lighter than the one that I was trying to replace. But I liked it. And gosh, when I smell this old Revlon makeup, it takes me back. It's probably so expired, but I'm certainly not going to donate it and let other people use it. I've been using it off and on since I had it. So anyway, so what I'd like to do, I haven't picked which one. This is more nostalgia, but it's older. I'm going to try to use these up. And part of the trick to this is that you can use these products for other than what they're made for. So I don't have to apply this as my lipstick every day all this year. You can use lipstick as a cream blush. I would not use this on my eyes area though because it's so old, but I may use it as a cream blush. This, I have experimented with using it as a purple blush the last few days just to kind of see what I could do. And then these lighter colors, these whites, I don't have a swatch video of this. It doesn't, I tried and it doesn't really come up in swatches really well. I really was holding on to it just for this color, but I think I have that color replaced. Anyway, so these lighter colors you can use as a highlight. So I'm gonna reach for this if I feel like it, or maybe push myself a little bit more even if I don't feel like it to use this. I'm gonna use it for more than just eyeshadow. These, I don't think I can use up both of them, although I would love to. This is more of a blushy color. I don't know. I haven't decided, but I'll give you the progress of both. Maybe I'll put them both out and just see what happens. Let me go ahead and swatch these other two fashion lipsticks. The nude, these are very chalky, but they're just like, they're fine. They don't smell like anything. It just kind of smells waxy. So that's the nude color. And this is the red. It's like a pale, cool toned red. I don't know why like things do not look the same on recording as they do in real life. But anyway, I'm definitely going to do this. I'm going to pick which of these, they look similar. Be fun. I promise you that one is red. Now I'm going to get it all over myself. I'm going to pick which one of those I want to try and use up. Looking at them on my hand right now, I can't decide. I may just throw this red one out. It's not very deep red and like very, it's like a sheer red almost. But I like the nude color. We'll see. We'll see. But this is the start of my Project Pan, and I will film some updates as we go along. Thanks for watching. This is Shoot. This is Shoot. It is a Revlon lipstick called Frost. Or, no, I'm sorry. I'm gonna... Can you see how much brighter that is? It almost looks coral here. Gosh, it says Procter & Gamble. What are you? Covergirl. Okay.